making 1% per day. Hey guys, this is Mehdi at Choosing Options. Today is Friday, July the 20th. This is a follow-up video on the trade we put on MPC today. We bought it back. We closed the contract at 34. Let's see. Let me go back. MPC, we put it on July 20th, 62.5. If you look up here, I'm going to post a video that we put on this MPC. 97 cents. So we sold it 97 cents. Let's do the math. 97 minus, how much was it? 30? 34. Minus 34. 63. Minus 90 divided by 97. So 65% is what we made from June 20th to July 20th. That's 30 days. 30 days, 60, that's much better than 1%. Well over 2%. So yeah, just follow the instructions that you know, I covered this in my first video. I'm gonna post my first video in here, and maybe my playlist on all the trades that I put on and closed so far. And shoot me a video, shoot me a text or email, however way. If you have any questions, let me know. So yeah, you do make like 2.5% per day on these trades. I average about 27 days. This one took about 30 days. Let me see that there's another one that we closed today, which is FAS. FAS, I didn't create a video on YouTube, but let's go back and see FAS. Here, we sold it at 112 back in 15th, June 15th, 112, 112.32. 112 minus 32 divided by 112. That's 70%. So that's even better than the other one, but it took a little bit longer. It was 15th of June to 20th of July. So 35 days. 35 days, we made 70% on our trade. 71 to be exact. So that's not bad. We lost one. I posted a video earlier. We lost one trade on, I think it was Disney. Yeah. So you can take a look at that video as well. It's right before this one. Okay, guys. Happy trading. Have a nice weekend. Happy Friday. Bye.